actually filming a vlog today. This is my first vlog in forever, and today we're gonna do a little BMX riding. As you can tell, it snowed a lot out here recently, so I'm gonna see if we can avoid the snow, maybe do some tricks in the snow, see what we can do. Then we might do some other things later on in this video. Well, let's get into it. As you can already tell, everything's all covered in snow. There's not a lot of places to ride, but luckily I live right by the school and they plowed this parking lot. It's a little sandy, but we're gonna try to get some tricks. We're gonna warm up, then we're gonna try to go over some harder tricks. So we're gonna see what happens. Ugliest 3 ever. Pretty bad when it's all sandy and garbage outside. I don't know if that full cab got cut off camera. I landed one. I'm really pretty good at those, but I haven't rode it in a while. Together right now. I don't know if you guys ever heard that song, but it's Come Together by the Beatles, and I've just been jamming out to it. Just now it was shuffled on, but I don't know why you don't see many people vlogging with headphones in, because you don't really have to hear back from you guys. You kind of just talk and film. So keep these headphones in while vlogging, I guess. I can still talk to you guys, and you guys can't talk to me because it's a vlog, of course. Or you can leave a comment below and I'll respond. But other than that, we're gonna try for some more harder tricks right now. To be honest, I think my front wheel touched the ground, but I really don't feel like redoing the XL rather 180. It's just been really hard for me. I kind of want to take a step back and dust off some rust because I haven't rode in a while. So I just want to work on some stuff that I haven't been doing lately because I haven't been on the bike, like G-turn 3s, some full cabs, maybe 5 cabs and stuff like that. So we're gonna do a quick montage before we go do something else. Honestly, that was complete poop, as Andy would say, but I'm gonna take it. I'm super tired. I've been doing so many correction hops today that I don't know, it just sucks. Hopefully I don't get into that habit. For some reason right now, I feel like to go climb the snowbank right here for some unknown reason. So I'm gonna do it. I have climbed the top and now my shoes are all wet. The people who don't live on the East Coast may think snow's all fun and stuff, but it's really not. The weather kind of sucks. It's cold, you can't ride anywhere. It's supposed to snow again tonight and again Sunday night. So it's basically like you can't ride, and you may be thinking that maybe go to like an indoor skate park. Well, there are no indoor skate parks in Connecticut, which kind of sucks. So I'm stuck riding this mess until it gets warmer out. So I found this kind of cool spot where there's not a lot of snow. There's a back against all that snow. So I think I'm gonna go over there, and I mean, it's right over here. It's not that far, but I'm gonna go over there, and then I'm gonna take some pictures for Instagram and stuff. So I recently started a photography account on Instagram, so I think it would be cool to get some pictures over here. I have found my friends over here.
Closer.
I started vlogging. How's it going?
Good.
What are you guys doing?
Just riding.
Not many places to go.
We were in Centers.
Oh, you guys were in center?
Yeah.
Still not many places to go?
No, not really.
I didn't think so. Again, I find myself back in this parking lot because there's nowhere else to go here. Keep going. Oh, he's taking out my bike. Let's see what he can do.
Oh yeah. Fuck that curve.
Not bad. Big thing of ice right here. If you hit someone, this has to hurt. If you hit someone with this big thing of ice, look, just solid. Let's go throw it at something. At those people walking by. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. We're not gonna throw it at people. Okay, now they're all picking up big blocks of ice. Oh, that actually hurt. Ah, you got all snow in my shoe. This is not good, throwing blocks of ice at people. Let's hit this sign over here. Oh, that wasn't me. Wasn't me. Well, if you don't live on the East Coast, you miss out on, well, it snows other places, but like the East Coast where I live, you miss out on snowball fights, sledding, and stuff like that. You know, just like this over here. Well, this is kind of an ice fight, so it's somewhat dangerous, and hopefully he doesn't hit that car going by. What is he gonna do? It's so weird to tell me everything. Not really. It kind of feels natural.
Oh. Ooh. Ah. The new snow cycle. Life feels so weird compared.
Oh boy, I'm on this steed of a bike. It feels so weird. I'm like 6'3" and this bike feels small. I have no leg room, and I hit the bars. Can't wheelie. I'm just out here. Mountain bike gang for life. Wheeling this, as they say. Maybe. I think it has brakes. I haven't brakes. It's forever. Look how easy it is to stop. Boop, you're stopped. We're all departing ways now. I'm gonna go back home, and these guys are gonna go home, I guess.
Alright, see ya.
Alrighty then. What is with this tree situation? Like, there's just 3 trees over here, and look, there's nothing else around. It just looks plain stupid. They should honestly fix that or something. I don't know. I think it looks stupid. Look at that. I don't know. They took them all out apparently. There was all of them at one point. Just got home. Now I was in the middle of a zombies game before I came outside, so I'm gonna try to get through round 100. If I do, I'll like document a picture or something here. I did end up getting the round 100 on zombies. It was pretty fun. It was pretty easy. It took me a really long time, like 5 hours, but I did take a pretty hefty break in the middle of it. But you guys probably don't care about that. But this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my first vlog in a while, and like the video and comment below if you want to see more vlogs like this. Other than that, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, share with a friend, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.